We've been in the house about 9 months. We moved in last fall. When we first saw the house, it was very dark and not really dated, but just not me. And particularly the kitchen, they had brown cabinets, brown laminate counter, brownish tiles. So I just really wanted to freshen it up. I actually did the kitchen for the One Room Challenge, where designers and bloggers complete a space in about 6 weeks. So I started before the timeline of the One Room Challenge, but I finished it up on the day before the photographer was coming to shoot it. I was born in England, and I've always loved that English farmhouse kitchen, and they're famous for their sort of off-white or painted cabinetry and their islands, which are more like pieces of furniture with legs, but sort of light in feeling. I landed on this island color, which is Benjamin Moore Night Train, which is a nice dark gray blue. Another thing I wanted was quartz. I've always recommended it to clients over the years. It's more hard-wearing and stain resistant. When I saw this one from Silestone, it's called Snowy Ibiza, that kind of drew the color palette for the whole space because it's a very warm gray beige color, and I just loved it. One of my pet peeves is lighting over an island which is too small. I knew I wanted to have oversized lanterns. I've always loved lanterns. I love them because they don't have glass, so they don't have to clean them, and they don't block sight lines. They're actually perfect for a kitchen. The appliances are affordable, and they're also nice looking. And I just love the sleek, simple handles on them. The profile of it was nice and clean, and I like that. I was able to save with the kitchen by using some of the existing cabinetry, and my cabinet maker was able to color match to the new cabinetry. By adding crown molding from Matri, we were able to bring the cabinets to the ceiling. I brought in black hardware. I just love the punctuation of black hardware and white cabinetry. And lanterns, of course, are black. I also saved on the backsplash. I was going to use a statement backsplash, but I kind of wavered and went back to my always tried and true classic white subway tile. You can never go wrong. It's always in style. It always looks good. I love my kitchen. I really, really do. It's one of the prettiest kitchens I've seen, if I do say so myself, and it's just fun to have people over and gather around the island and have my daughter and her friends over, and it's the perfect space for entertaining.